My wife and I absolutely enjoyed our bicycle trip along the 109-mile Mickelson Rails to Trail from Edgemont to Deadwood, South Dakota recently. In the title of this video, I said what not to do on the Mickelson Trail. Well, most of what you see you do want to do. Lots of wonderful exercise, fresh air, time with friends, good food, just an overall good time. Once we finished the 109 miles, I quickly learned what not to do though. You'll see what I mean in this video. Come on, honey. What? Come on here. Yay, we made it! Oh, good
You okay?
Yeah.
Nah, let's stop for a minute.
Always remember that you should keep both hands on the handlebars, but if you do high-five a friend like I did, keep an eye out for who might be stopping in front of you and high-five with your left hand instead of leaving it on the front brake. All is well, and I hurt nothing but my pride, but it was in front of all of my friends at that. Just remember to keep the rubber side down and have a great ride.